Good morning, 604.
Good morning, Miss Canella.
Good morning, Miss Burgos in class 604. I hope.
Good morning, Miss Burrows.
Good morning. Somebody just came in. I don't know who it is.
It was Maria.
Yeah, there was somebody else, I thought. No, I want it on Google Docs. There's no more paper. We just went over that. Reason being is because on Google Docs, it's very neat and organized. When you write it on paper, some of your handwriting, it's a little hard to read it and it's all scribbled all over the place. It's not organized. So Google Docs is the way you're turning your math notes in now. How do I take screenshots on the computer? I always do it on the phone. Ooh, I'm not sure how you do it on a PC. I forgot. Anyone know how to do it?
I forgot.
Emma.
Emma knows how to do it, but she's not here.
Anyone know how to take a screenshot on a PC?
Kalani, you know?
Tell them. Come off mute and tell them.
You have to press the CTRL and then you have to press the one that has the box and the 2 lines on the top.
Did you get that? Abigail, did you get that? Okay, you sure you're good? Okay, just want to make sure. All right, we got a lot of folks coming in. All right, so we're going to get started. So we already have our students assigned who's taking screenshots.
Morning, Mr. Rudy.
Good morning.
Okay, we already got our screenshot person. We got our learning target, Mr. R. Good morning. Just going to get started. It's already 5 minutes after the time. So Kevin, this is what you do. You can add on it, okay? All right, I helped you out, bud. All right, so let's go into here. Let's go into the work. I posted the work yesterday. As per request, guys, a lot of students have been asking for the work the day before so they can get their notes set up the night before. So if that's you, then you should come to this class all ready to go. You can always set your Google Notes up. It literally will take you 5 minutes if you use Google Docs, like we just discussed.
Can I have a host?
Yeah, hold on. Okay. So, let me give Miss Burgos, BB Burgos, here we go. Okay. So we have Boris arriving late. Okay, so this is pretty much going to be teacher going to do one problem each, and then it's going to be student ran like it was yesterday. You guys did awesome. Okay, so today it's Tuesday, March 16th of 2021, Standard 6 SP3. You're responsible to write down the 2 things in the boxes. Actually, no, if you're using Google Docs, all of this will be written in there. All right, go ahead, Abigail.
Learning target. I can calculate the
Median.
median of data sets from tables and real-world situations. Important vocabulary words. 1. Median, middle number, is the middle of a sorted list of numbers. Steps. 1. Order the number from least, smallest to greatest, largest. 2. Cross of partners from left to right to find the median. Number 3, find the middle number of the data set.
Okay. Can you read about odd numbers and even, please?
Odd number. Finding the median. Example, find the median. 10, 11, 13, 15, 16, 23, and 26. It's 15 because it's in the middle.
Okay, so now, with that said, odd numbers are always, an odd set of data will always have one median. There will always be one median. Now, when you have an even set, Abigail, when we have an even, we're gonna have to add up the 2 numbers. We're pretty much finding the mean, and divide to find the median. Okay, so we're technically, when we have an even set, what we're doing is we're finding the mean, which is your median. Okay? Abigail?
Yeah.
And we have to make sure, like you said, there's 3 on the left and 3 on the right. So again, this is what goes in the Google Doc. This entire page, you get it right from Google Classroom. If you're handwriting it and your handwriting's neat, you know who you are.
Emma Cantu came in.
Fine, yeah, she was trying to come in since 10:03. Okay, the median is the middle number when the numbers are in order. So here's the numbers, we put them in order. There were 2 numbers on the left and there were 2 numbers on the right. Again, put the values in order from least to greatest and find the middle number. Clearly 5 is in the center because there's 3 on the left and 3 on the right. Let's go right to the work. All right, Liana Sanchez, can you please read problem number 1?
Okay, it says the following are math scores that were received on a recent classwork assignment that Miss Canella assigned. The scores are displayed in the table below. So the scores are 90, 86, 85, 93, and 76. So it says list the scores in order from least to greatest. So we put 76 first. Then we will put 85. Then we put 86. Then we will put 90 and then put 93.
And I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna put check marks because I used all the numbers. Okay, keep going. Now that I have them in order from least to greatest, step 2 says I have to find the partners, right?
So
Right?
it says, yes, it says, find the median. It says median, right?
So let's do partners. 76 is partnered with what?
93,
85 and
90,
what's the only number left in the middle?
86,
Now let's explain why. How many numbers are on the left?
2,
And how many numbers are on the right?
2.
Is this an even set of numbers or an odd set? How many numbers were there?
5, so it'll be an odd set.
So an odd set is going to have 1 median. Does everyone see that? So in this question, we will write answer, the median of the recent class work assignment for math class that Miss Canella assigned, oops, I spelled my name wrong, was a 86. Does everyone see that? Take a moment to write this down. Screenshot person's gonna screenshot this.
I screenshotted it. Also, Ms. Canella, can you go up to the first problem because you didn't tell me to take a picture of it.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, this is the first one? I thought, because it sounded like Abigail was saying a problem quick
You mean this?
the first time.
You mean that?
Do you don't
Oh,
need
if you want, okay. Oh, I get what you're saying. Okay. So it's explicit. Okay, got you. That, you mean? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
So this would be, okay, this would be like the learning target page. I got you. You got it? And then this is,
Yeah.
this is just a note page. And then this would be the 3rd page. Make sense? Got it, Leanna? So we're ordering numbers from least to greatest and finding the middle as Leanna did. Okay, she's gonna post it right now in Google Classroom for you. Mr. R is gonna do problem 2. Let me make this larger. Okay, he's gonna read it, has his name
All
in.
right, guys.
He wrote
So
this
Mr. Rudy took a survey of people's shoe size. His survey results were the following: 10, 9, 8, 8, 7, 11, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5. It says list the 10 shoe sizes in order from least to greatest. Let's see who can help me out with this one. Let's pick on Kevin. Kevin, what's the smallest number on that list?
The smallest number in that list is 6.
Good. What comes after?
6.5.
Keep going.
Then goes 5, 7, and then 7.5.
Good.
Then after that goes 8,
How many 8s?
2 8s, then 9. After 9 goes 10,
Good. 9, 10, and then
11.
perfect.
Nice.
Now, really quickly, what do we have to do to find the median? We obviously wrote step 1. Step 2 is find the median. So we have to partner them up, correct? So let's go for it. Let's go partner them up. Brandon, help me out. 6 is partnered up with what number? Brandon, 6 and 11, right? Keep going. 6.5 and
6.5 and 10,
keep going.
7 and 9, 7 and 8,
Good.
and 7.
We're left with these two. What do we do with these two numbers when we have them?
What do we have to find? What did we learn yesterday? We were working with the what?
With
We have to
the,
add them up, right?
Huh?
We have that's an even set, so we have to add them up and then divide by the number, right? So how many numbers are there? There's 2 sets of numbers. So what's 7.5 plus 8?
that'll be 15.5.
Good. And 15.5 divided by 2, which equals?
It's
Let's Canela help you out. 7 point what?
7.75.
Good. 7.75. Is that your final answer? Is that the median?
Yes.
Yes, it is, right? So obviously, guys, we went through the entire process, but I would like the screenshot person to take a screenshot of problem where it says problem model practice problem 2 all the way down to the median answer.
Leanna? Remember, my problem had an odd set, so there was one median. Mr. R's problem had 2 numbers. You have to add and divide by 2 to find the median. Got it? Miss Sanchez, can we move on? Leanna? Her camera's off, so I'm not sure. I guess yes. All right, problem 3 now. Miss B, you want to pick someone to do problem 3?
Sure. Let's have David.
David, problem 3. Miss Burgos called you. She's going to help you through it if you need help.
So find the median of the data set of honor student scores on a pop quiz. List the 10 scores in order from least to greatest. So David, which one is the least?
The least is 83.
Yep. All right, after that,
After that is 88,
okay. Next,
90,
okay,
95,
good.
96,
Yep,
97,
yep,
398, and then 100.
excellent. Very nice.
What did you say, Miss B?
We said 3 sets of 98s and then 100.
Nice.
Very nice. Now find the median of the data set of honor student scores on a pop quiz. So let's have, let's have Emma. So what are we gonna compare? 83 to what? 83,
83 to 88.
no. The data set.
Oh, 83 to 98.
Oh,
Nope.
Because it's on top of it.
so on the left side, we have 83, and on the right side, the farthest number is 100, right?
Uh-huh.
So now Miss B is going to help you out.
Okay, so 88 with 98.
Oh, so it goes from left to the farthest one on the right.
Excellent, yeah.
From 90 to 98,
Beautiful.
95 to 98.
Okay, now what's gonna happen? What are we gonna do with 96 and 97?
You're going to
Yeah,
Add
yes. So you're gonna add it up. Thank you, Brandon. So how
and then divide
much
it
is
by 2.
96? Excellent. So how much is 96 plus 97?
90, 96 plus 90 plus 97,
Yes.
130, 93.
101, 93. Good. And then we're gonna divide it. So what is divide some by 2 by 93? 193 divided by 2 is how much?
190, 93
Thank you,
divided
Kalani. Kalani wrote it for you.
5.
Yes, thank you. 96.5. So is that the medium?
Yeah.
Awesome. Nice job, Emma. Thank you.
Thanks, Miss Burgos. Thanks, assistants. That was great. Problem 3. So now 3 teachers modeled. We each modeled a problem. Type yes if you understand what we just did. And be honest. If you don't, say, I don't know. Looking pretty good to me, Miss B. This class yesterday and Mr. R, they did really well on the mean. They were killing it. Miss Sanchez, I hope you screenshotted problem 3 because I cannot see you.
I did.
All right, please post it. Guess who we're going to call for problem 4? You're going to read it and solve it because 5, 6, and 7 are going to be in a breakout room. So Natalie is the wanted contestant for problem 4. You didn't know that was coming, Natalie. She didn't. That was just random. That's why I don't want to tell them who's going to do what. They have to be ready. Natalie, problem 4. We did this problem yesterday with the mean. So the numbers and states are going to look the same, but the central tendency that we're working with is different, Natalie. So can you read where it says education, please?
For the 6 New England states, the mean scores of math sections of the SAT 1 year were as follows: Connecticut,
Connecticut.
505,
Maine.
Maine 500, Massachusetts
Mhm.
513, New
Hampshire.
Hampshire 519,
Rhode Island.
Rhode Island 500, and Vermont 508. Determine the median for information percentage.
So list the scores in order from least to greatest. What is the smallest score there in red?
500.
Keep going.
500 again.
Good.
At 508. Then 509.
Okay, let me catch up because she's Speedy Gonzalez right now. Yeah?
Then 513. And then 519.
You guys see what Natalie did there? Type yes if you understand how to order least to greatest.
Natalie.
Wait, 513, and what did she say?
519.
519.
Type yes if you understand how to order from least to greatest. Okay. Natalie, now, do you remember what you have to do? Now we ordered them from least to greatest. What do you got to do? Find it, starts with the P. These are called
Wait, what?
We're going to find the partners. It's pairs, right?
Yeah, partners. So it's 519, 513.
And now what do you do when there's 2? Miss B just did the problem before.
We
What did we work on yesterday?
We added.
And then?
And divided.
Yes.
By 2.
Yes, girlfriend. All right. So let's continue. What's the sum of 509 and 508?
It's 1,000.
1,000.
Wait, oh yeah, you add not subtract. 1,000 17, I think.
Now what do? Divide that by how many scores are there?
2.
Yep. So what's that now? What's 1,017?
1,017 divided by 2 is 508.5.
Point. So what is, I'm just going to bring this up a bit. What is the median? The median of the 6 New England scores is?
508.5.
Are we done? Did you answer the problem?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, Leanna's going to screenshot this. Remember, order from least to greatest and find the partners. If there's an odd set, there's one median. Odd 1, even 2. Okay, when there's an even set, as you just saw, Ms. Burgos modeled and Natalie just did it, you have to add the 2 numbers and divide by 2. Yes? Type yes if you understand now. Ms. Burgos understands. A lot of yeses. Okay. Leanna, did you screenshot this?
Yes, I wrote down in the chat.
Okay. All right. So this is what's going to happen. So these problems may look familiar. It's just a different central measure of tendency. So in our breakout rooms, we're going to do problem 5, finding the median, problem 6, finding the median and error, and problem 7. These are very quick. We will have 10 minutes to do 3 problems. Then we will meet back and you will do your independent practice. Are we clear? If you finish before the 10 minutes is up in your breakout room, you can start the independent practice. So it's 10:35 now. So let's try to meet back here at 10:50. So 15 minutes to do 3 problems and start your independent work, all right? So in the first breakout room, the captain is going to be Leanna with Miss Burgos. Miss B, are you okay with that?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm just going to give you a few, okay? I'll give you Emma, give you Adam. You want Kevin, Miss B?
Sure.
Okay. Mr. R, in your breakout room, we'll have Kalani be in charge. You cool with that?
Surprise me, yes. My wizard's coming through.
Your wizard. You got your wizard. And in my breakout room, I'll have
Got her
Abby.
wizard hood on today too. Look at her. She's ready.
Yeah.
My breakout room's going to be Abby, okay? You're in charge. All right, guys, 15 minutes. We meet back here in 15 minutes at 10:50. 3 problems and start your independent work. The faster you work, the faster you can get
all that
everything.
saying right, Miss Canella.
Don't worry, I'm going to. You're
Got
good.
you.
You're good. I got you. Guys, go to your rooms. Boris, get to your room. All right, Abby. You're the teacher, Abigail. Let's do this. Abigail, are you going to be able to take the pictures too?
Yeah.
All right, Abby. Number 5. You can read it, do it, and then you can pick people to help you. Go. You're the teacher.
A fitness instructor tested a arm strength of members of a fitness class to compare their scores to a national average. The test rated members a scale from 1, the weakest, to 10, the strongest. The scores of 9 members are shown in the data set below.
I hate to tell you this, but I think it's supposed to be 10. I made a typo. This should be 10. Okay? Okay, go ahead.
In order from least to greatest is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and the other 8, 9, and 10.
So Abigail, is this an even or an odd set? 10, is that even or odd?
That's even.
So that means we're gonna have to do something at the end, right?
Yeah.
All right, so help us out. I'm gonna copy, paste, I'm gonna put them right underneath. Okay. All right, talk to us.
So we have to take out 2. And then we have to take out 3 and 9. 4 and 8. 5 and 8. And then we're left with 6 and 8.
What do we do?
So we have to put the even set is 6 and 8. So we have to add and divide 6 plus 8. 8 plus 6 equals 14. And then the middle number, divide the sum by 2 to find the median. So we have to do 14 divided by 2, which equals 7. So the median is 7.
You guys agree with her? Anyone have any questions for Abigail? Because she did that problem so beyond perfect. I mean, I don't know how else to have had it done. Right, Abigail? So I'm gonna put 7 here. So Abigail, I'm gonna go back to the beginning for a second. Abigail is gonna screenshot problem 5.
I did it.
Okay, post it. Yeah, Abby, you're good? Quick check for understanding. What are the 2 steps in finding the median? Go, type it in the chat. 2 steps in finding the median. Give me 1 and then 2 in order. 2 steps. Add and divide when there's an even number. Hold on. You're add and divide when there's an even set. But what's the first step? How do you order the numbers? Yes, least to greatest. You add and divide when there's an even set. Okay, guys, you're not wrong. All right, Abigail, problem 6. Who's going to do this one?
David.
David. Abigail called you.
Yes. All right. The rainfall for the second week in April was as followers in inches: 1.0, 2.5, 0.4, 0.8, and 3.0. What is the median daily rainfall that week? So first we have to order from least to greatest. So the numbers that are least to greatest is 0.4, 0.8, 1.0, 2.5, and 3.0.
Teacher Abigail.
Next, we need to find the partner. The partners. The partners are let's see. There is 4. No. Mm, 10.
Teacher Abigail, he says 10. Do you agree with him?
Yeah.
The answer is 10.
No, it's 1.0
Can you clarify why? Can you explain why?
because since it's even numbers, you skip count and then 1.0 is in the middle.
Because how many numbers are on the left and how many numbers are on the right?
2 are on the left and 2 are on the right.
David, do you see that?
Yeah.
Do you see how there's 2 on the left and 2 on the right, and the only number left in the center where it's even is 1.0?
Yeah.
Okay, just want to make sure. Because if you don't, tell us. Abigail, can you screenshot problem 6 for us? And you guys need to turn your notes in, okay?
Got it.
All right. We're going to move on to problem number 7. Abigail, who's doing this problem? You can call on maybe Samiri or whoever you want. Whoever you think. You're the teacher.
Ramses.
Ramesses, good choice. Ramesses, oh,
Yeah.
do you want to do it or you want to participate in the chat?
Yeah, I'll do it.
So Abigail wants you to read where it says the image.
Oh, okay. The image below, that's the Mandarin is 6. Do you agree or disagree that the Mandarin is 6?
Median, right?
Yeah.
So Abigail, ask them some questions, please, so I can write on the board.
Order the what is the numbers from least to greatest?
The numbers from least to greatest is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And now, which 2 numbers are going to be paired first?
The 2 numbers that's gonna be paired for first is 2 and 9, 4 and 8, and 5 and 7.
So now, do you agree that the median is 6?
Yeah,
Why?
because we did all the steps and it came up to 6.
So it's A.
Good job, Abigail. Good job, Ramesses. Thank you, Ramesses. Thank you, teacher Abigail.
You're welcome.
Abby, make sure you screenshot, put problem 7 in the chat for me. Look at that, we got 3. Abby, did you get this, honey?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, you can go back to Google Classroom to screenshot this into your doc. Now, Abby, this is what we got to do. We have 3 assignments today. We have independent, 1 exit ticket problem. Remember we told you now we're going to have 1 exit ticket because it's just for this part, just on statistics. Once we go back to normal routine, we have the notes to submit. So if your notes are all done, turn them in now. If you did a Google Doc, if you handwrite them, turn them in. We're going to do the independent practice now. So Abby's going to be in charge. Abby, what is another word for middle number?
Middle number is median.
Got it, guys? Okay, who's reading problem 3 and doing it?
Justin.
So Abby, you're gonna you're gonna share your screen, Abby. I have to go to the main room for a second. And you're gonna do problem number 3.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No, Kaylani. Try it again.
To reach the top of Mount Everest. Other climbers who reached the summit that day were 40, 39, 70, 37, 36, and 28 years old. Find the median of these climbers that reached the summit. So, is it saying least to greatest or no?
Huh?
What is this? It's saying least to greatest or no?
Yeah, least to greatest. You have to find out.
All right. So I think from least to greatest is least is 28. Yeah, I'll write it down on my notebook. 28.
Abby, are you able to write on the screen?
No.
Oh, do you want me to?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome job, Abby.
37. 39, and then 40. That's least to greatest.
Okay, what were the numbers again?
28, 36, 37, 39, and 40.
28.
That's from least to greatest. And then from greatest to least.
So what is the middle number?
The middle numbers are 37 and 39.
There's 5 numbers though.
Oh. So the middle numbers you said?
Abby, help him out.
So first, which 2 numbers are you gonna pair?
30.
From both sides. You have to pick the first number, and then from the other side, pick the first number, which is 40 and 28.
Yeah.
And then the second pair, which is 36 and 39. So then you're left with 37. So that's the median. So it's B.
Wait a minute. I missed a number. It's not. Did I miss a number? Hold on. 28, 28, 36, 36, 37, 37, 39, 39, and 40.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
What do you do where it says option 1?
Don't pick it. Right? Okay. When you guys do this problem, you're going to order the numbers from least to greatest and find the median on your own. Okay? What is today's learning target? Is it about median or mean, guys?
Median.
Median.
Awesome. Now, going to your exit ticket. This is where everyone always mixes up. Okay, on your exit ticket, you only get one chance. So if you get it wrong, that's it. You have to find the median of these numbers. Now listen to the directions. Write the answer as a numerical value. So you're going to have a whole number with a decimal. So for example, I'm going to model how to do it. Actually, Abby, can you give me the numbers in order from least to greatest from the chart? Where it says number of tornadoes, what's the smallest number there?
The smallest number is 18.
18.
And then 27.
Okay.
And then the other 27.
Okay.
44.
Yeah.
49.
Okay.
61.
Okay.
And 78.
What about 62?
Oh yeah. 62 and then 78.
I could have made a mistake on this. Let's see. I might have made a mistake. Okay, so 18 is paired with what?
78.
Keep going.
27 is paired with 62. 74 is paired with 61. And then you're left with 44 and 49.
Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I messed up on this. Okay. I have to go back and fix it. So what's 44 plus 49? What's 44 and 49?
93.
Okay, now don't put the answer in yet and hit submit. You could put it in, but don't hit submit yet. 93 divided by 2 is what?
46.5.
Okay. Oh, that's what I put. Okay, 46.5. That's what you should write. Let's see if that's what I have on the answer choice. Let's see. Let's see if I'm right. Did Miss Canella write that? I did. So there's your answer. We write 46.5 on the line. You see 46.5? So you would write on your paper, right? If I were you, I would take my typer and I could put either 46.5 and you hit submit and you get it correct. Are we good? All right, let's go back to the main room, guys. Good work.
I don't have much.